Right, well, this is the one that's just come in. We've had to get it in the yard. Let's get it out of sight.
Over the sheet line, over the sheet line. Not bad.
This is the same late 40s, early 50s. Can't open the door because for some reason it's solid. Yeah. So the one you seen before was the donor, because we might need some parts off this for this. Oh! So you got a bed.
With new engine box, radiator, grill, but some glass missing, trims, damage, and extra material.
Yeah, it doesn't look so bad now. I've opened the door. This is quite a big restoration job. And if you're wondering why these are bent, it was because he had motorbikes inside and the wheel of the bike fitted in there. Right, well, I'll take you around again because I've just seen something. Bit of a repair on the grill and there's a bumper.
No, I mean, going back, we were doing like just under 50, weren't we?
There's a nest.
Before we were doing 60.
Yeah.
Right, well. Well, that's all I can show you.
A bit more stuff, yeah.